Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming essentials. Sign into the Google account you'll share from, and make sure Google Photos is updated on your device. Once done, open the app or go to Photos. Google.com. Make sure Backup and Sync is enabled if recipients should see full-resolution images later. Now navigate to the Library or Photos tab to find the images you want to share. Don't delay. Pick at least one photo or album to begin the sharing flow immediately. You've picked images. Next, select them and tap the share icon. If you plan to reuse the set, create an album first and then share the album. It keeps things organized. Choose whether to share with a Google contact, set up partner sharing for automatic photo transfer, or create a shareable link for wider access. Make sure to review options. Allow collaborators only if you want others to add photos. Otherwise, select View Only. This step sets permissions and scope for every recipient. Finish by sending the invite or copying the link into your messenger of choice. Recipients will open it to view or save photos. Once shared, manage access from the album's details or sharing tab, remove people, revoke the link, or change permissions whenever needed. If something goes wrong, check that both you and the recipient are signed into the correct Google accounts, verify the link hasn't expired, and confirm Google Photos has storage and permission to access your photos.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.